How to open TikTok on mute. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just open up TikTok.
Up with it, girl. Rock.
And then as you can see, when we open up TikTok, we can hear the sounds of the TikTok videos. So to simply just mute it, what you want to do is to just go to your profile, click on the three lines right here on the top right corner, and then just click on settings and privacy. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply scroll down until you see playback. So just click on that, and then from here, there's an option right here that will allow you to open TikTok on mute. So what you want to do is to just simply enable this, and then after that, you can now simply close TikTok and then reopen TikTok again. And then as you can see that the videos on TikTok are now on mute. So as you can see on the bottom right here of the video, as you can see, there is an option to unmute the video. So if you want to unmute the video, just simply click on that button and then the video will now be unmuted. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open TikTok on mute.